Hello guys, this is Milind Patel showing you another tutorial on how to make battery charging animation in Blender. Uh, as you can see here, I've already made an animation. I upload it also on YouTube. So let's begin the tutorial. First of all, opening a new file, deleting this default cube, adding a plane and scale it to fit your floor. Now add a cube and move z move in z axis, scale it 0.2, so you have this. Now hit 5 so you can go into ortho mode and press 3 for side view. Press Z to wireframe mode. Now scale that cube in Z direction and set it here. Now press tab and go into edit mode. Now click on loop cut and slide and scroll the mouse wheel. Now select plane and extrude in Y direction. Press E for that and that far. Select the bottom one too and press E to extrude and Y for Y direction and extrude it. Now select the upper one and click on loop cut and slide. Scroll your mouse wheel again. Now select that plane. Now click on that snap to and click on vertex. Now extrude in Z direction, press E and Z, and this will automatically detect the endpoint. Now turn off that and click on loop cut and slide again and scroll your mouse wheel. Now select that 3 faces and extrude in Y direction. That will be better. Now press tab again to exit from edit mode. You have this case ready. Now add another cube and scale it 0.2. Press Z. Click 1 for side view and 7 for top view. As you can see, it's not that big, so scale in Z direction. Here go to array modifier and here 0 and Y direction for 1.4 at I think. Now raise the counts, 8 will be better. Resize it little bit. Now it's time for animating this. Arrange your camera nicely. press Ctrl Alt and numpad 0. This will move your camera to whatever you are looking at. Shift F for fly mode. GZ for grabbing in Z direction. That's much better. Now click this little red button here. This will enable animation. Now right click on that count, insert keyframe, and at 0 give it 1, so you will see only one block here. Now go to maybe 90 frame and right click, insert keyframe, and write 8, so your battery is full now. Again go to 100 frame and right click, insert frame, write 1 here, and go to 190 frame, right click, insert keyframe, write 8 there. I want end frame at 200. Now it's animating, as you can see. In original animation, these blocks are changing their color, so let's do that now. Adding a material, give it a plain white, specular to 0. Now at first frame, right click on that color, insert keyframe, and just leave this red one to full, and now go to 90th frame where battery is showing full. Make the green full and red to 0. Again do the same at red full and green 0, and now red 0 and green full. At last frame, red full, come into this array and enter 1 for there. Okay, now you're done. Give this frame pure white, specular to 0, and this plane also with orange color, the most Blender uses, specular to 0. In the world setting, click on environment lighting. That will light your environment very nice. Now give it a quick render. Yeah, it's looking good. Now if you just go to first and press Alt A, you will see it's animating and changing color at the same time, just like the video. So that's it for today. Hope you learned something, and see you next time.